2017 Ford Mustang GT50 convertible, sexy white with black wheels, and it's got the tow hook. Hopefully you'll never need it. More for just look. Anyways, converter, 2¼ pipe into a resonator, factory resonator there. Then he brought in his own axle back kit by MAGNAFLOW right there. And right there, we installed it for him. And on these convertibles, remember guys, always check on the kits, make sure that they're made for a convertible, because they got this reinforcement right there in the middle, if you guys don't know, and it makes everything really hard to fit. So as you guys can see, we just put it on for him. It came out nice. It's a clean system, all bolt on right there. I would recommend a professional to put it in. You can do it, but it'll take a lot longer. And here's the part number on it right there. MAGNAFLOW 19103. There'll be a link in the description. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There's the 2 axle back pipe that were on it that we cut off and replaced it with a MAGNAFLOW kit. So we appreciate his service as always. Always thank and appreciate our veterans. So we always want to say thank you for their service. And like always guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Ford GT convertible with a MAGNAFLOW axle back kit. Part number 19103. He's happy. What do you think? Yes?
I love it.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Now you can actually hear it, you know? Sound decibels. Right at 98.7. Again. You guys hear on the inside. Let's see what these ponies can do. I like the front lip. That's cool. Sounds really nice. Nothing crazy, just sounds smooth.